How to remove watermark from TikTok video. So let's see in this video. Before moving forward, make sure to like this video and subscribe our channel for more videos like this. So the first thing you need to do is open up your TikTok and find out the video that you want to save. After that, when you normally save your video, then the watermark will be seen in the video. But if you want to save your TikTok video without any watermark, then you can simply follow these steps. So the first thing you need to do is you have to tap on the share option in the right hand side. After that, in the second row, scroll horizontally and tap on the copy link option. So after copying the link, go back to your home page and open up any of the browser that you use. Here I am opening up Chrome. After that, you have to tap on the search bar and search for TikTok video download without watermark. You can also search for TikTok video without watermark. So after doing this, you'll be able to get the links. You have to tap on the first link, which is snap tick. After doing this, you can paste the link over here. After that, you can tap on download option. So here you can see the file has been downloaded. So open it up and see whether there is any watermarks available or not. So as you can see, the TikTok has been saved without any watermarks. So by following this simple step, you can remove watermark from TikTok videos. So I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching till the end.